stupid car. What do you got that I don't got? You smug piece of shit. Well, let's see how you like this. Oh.
Hey, what the fuck? Are you peeing on me?
Whoa, whoa. Car? A car that can talk. Oh my god.
I can do more than talk, bitch.
Ah, Andy, I've been expecting you.
Where am I? What is this place?
It's hell!
Oh my god!
That's right, and you've been sent here to pay for your moral transgressions. Out of all of your sins, one stands out among the rest. Public urination.
What about the guy I killed in 02?
As for your punishment,
What the? Oh no!
now you will know true suffering.
I'd be lying if I said your resume wasn't impressive. Your experience in this field is unmatched. Congratulations, you've got the job.
It's so great to hear.
One thing. I don't make a deal until I shake on it.
Are you sure?
A firm handshake and you've got the job. What's wrong? Put her there, sport.
What?
Give me a handshake and you have the job. It's simple as that.
There's no other way?
Just give me a handshake right here. Right here. A deal's not a deal until you shake my hand.
What?
What's wrong with you? You don't want to shake my hand? Do you have hands? You ever touched a man's hands before?
I can't!
What the hell are those?
They're my hands!
You are a freak. Get the fuck out of my office!
Damn it! Go to hell!
And from that day, Andy learned what it meant to be an outcast. Every attempt he made to improve his life was for naught, for no one could ever get past his staplers for hands. The end.